Good evening, my Stitchy family, and welcome to my channel, Stitcha-Rella. Today is WATTOBIZZ Wednesdays. There ain't no biz like WATTOBIZZ, right? I am excited. I am still working on Storm. I know I've got a few going, but I just want to get somewhere with one, and I love working on her. She works extremely easy. So it is amazing. I love her, and I am gonna continue with her for that reason at the moment, and I just absolutely adore her. I just want to see now, what did I choose? Yeah, I choose this light blue pluses. So just want to see where I want to work first, so I don't skip that ends. And there we go. There's one in the eye and on the side. So I'm just trying to grab every little piece I can see before I go to the bigger areas. Tomorrow, you guys know it is Mike's meeting day, but it's busy. So I have been driving up and down for 3 days straight now. I'm not happy, I promise you that. But he will be late for his one meeting a bit, because he is going to go fetch the kids for me. So guess what? I'm going to sleep in. I'm going to stitch a bit. I'm going to just gather myself again. So I'm getting a chance just to relax. I thought this week will be no pajama day, but guess what? Tomorrow is going to be pajama day for me. And ain't nobody stopping me from doing that. Definitely not. There you go. So later this afternoon, late afternoon, I cooked food. I haven't eaten pasta for a while. I always cook it for the kids. And I made carbonata, and I promise you, I ate a little bit, not even a lot, probably 5 bites. And I felt, geez, okay, now I'm just going to relax for 5 minutes because I can't keep my eyes open. I don't know why, what's happening. I promise you, I fell asleep. So I fell asleep, I woke up, I'm like, oh no, I have to record. Why am I sleeping? But then it was not just me. It looks like everyone in the house fell asleep. Strange but true. But then I must tell you, it's ideal to fall asleep at the moment because it's raining. Now it's a bit quiet, but it's raining, and it's so soft and in the background. Oh, and you can hear every drop, and that might also be one of the reasons. But how amazing was that? This is very satisfying. I am closing little holes on her cheek. I love when it comes to this. She looks so beautiful. She's a very pretty stitch. And very nice to stitch. I love her. The symbols are amazing. Everything is just superb. So I'm having such fun here. So hopefully tomorrow I get a lot done on her face. I did stitch a little bit today. I was busy, but in between I stole a few moments, and it was all on Storm, because I just love this one. Can't wait to see her developing. But she's not your average stitch. She is big. She's very big, so it takes long. Her actual face is bigger than mine. It's human. I think it's bigger. It feels, yes, I squashed it against my face. So yeah, it's a big one. She's gonna look amazing. I must check what's on the TV again. I haven't even done that, you know. I was just everywhere at once. It looks like I can tomorrow just, oh guys, talking about WATTOBIZZ, tomorrow, if all goes well, don't let me promise you because I'm not promising, but so far the courier says I'm getting my WATTOBIZZ parcel tomorrow. So, but we live in Africa, so anything is possible. But if they're not lying to me, tomorrow is WATTOBIZZ unboxing. And I cannot wait, of course. Who can ever wait when that comes? Definitely not me. Very super excited. This was still last time's auction. A lot of ladies are asking, why is the Stitches late? It's not that. Remember, the auction happened and it was Chinese holiday. It was the Chinese New Year. That is why the last ones took a while. Don't worry, they're on their way or they are already at your spot. So, now they're coming, don't worry. It was just one of those things. We always have this hiccup over Chinese New Year. People get worried about the stuff that doesn't arrive in time. And we do give warnings out that for 2 weeks, 2 to 3 weeks even, some places close. And they just don't, there's nothing. They don't do anything. And that is when their holidays are. So we do give notice, we do tell people. I do not think they think the shops actually close for that long or whatever, but they do. It's the only time when they close that long. So we're used to that. It happens every year, so you should be used to it if you're in this game for a while. Oh, it's nice to see her come alive, yeah. Love it, love it, love it. There you go. Excuse me. Hi, Lola. Lola, climb on the bed again. I'll see. I might do some unboxings after this. We'll see. I actually have to. Otherwise, we'll just get extra ones. But we'll see. I just want to get my stitch along out. We all can relax. I was very proud of myself yesterday. I got 5 videos out. The one wasn't made yesterday, but 4 of them were recorded yesterday. So there's no pre-recordings. There's just too many I want to put out there. Okay, did I get all the blue pluses? Let me see if there's on this side. There's a lot of J's. Huh. More J's. There's a few pluses. Alright, so we're gonna go to that eye. I can't jump these many. So let's just end it off and start where we should. Hi Lola, get off there. Get off there, you can't be there. Lola? She's trying to get on stuff she's not allowed to. Oh. Lola, what you doing? Wants to be naughty now. Ay, ay, ay. Alright, so let's go here. So there's J, but I did see a plus there. It is. How many is there? I think it's only the one. Then it goes up. I haven't decided what color we'll do after this. I just grabbed the first one I saw. And because I just wanted to start stitching, you know. Just grab something and stitch. As long as you're busy stitching, it's progress. That's a J. There you go. the blue J's are right next to the blue pluses, and you can immediately exactly to be precise see which one is which. I love the new printing, very, very awesome. For all of you that that participated in that magnificent auction, I spoke to Sandy earlier, and it looks like all the orders are in. A lot of people are also already asking, when does it ship? Well, it's a process. Remember, auction wins are all custom cross stitches. They all count as a custom, because they don't get mass produced. You're the only one that will have one, so be patient. So now what happens is they produce them, and as they get produced, they send them. So everyone can just relax. You will receive your beautiful things very soon. I am also very excited. Like you guys know, I'm going to show you the newly printed 16 counts, and that is gonna be mind-blowing. Super duper excited about that. I just want to work everything to this side, then I'll go up. Whoa. Now there is a few X's there as well, pluses. Alright, that was not clever. So what I'm gonna do is, those ones I'll grab later. I'm just gonna work what I can at the moment. Don't want to jump that far. I'll just get back to it. We all in South Africa, we're waiting for news to hear what's going on. There's no news. So I will let you guys know as soon as I know something. I will definitely let you know. I can hear Abby's TV. She is so sweet. But I always say that. But I'm going to say it a million times still. More than a million times in my lifetime. Because I love them so much. And Alex. Oh, I didn't tell you. You guys know Alex takes cooking. He takes cooking in school. So he would have cooked on Friday. But they had some kind of sport thing. He wasn't there. And so they didn't do it on Friday. They did it on Monday and Tuesday. So Monday went to school, and he came back. I'm like, how was the cooking? Because it's the first time they cook now for themselves in this class. I'm too happy because he's going to do it for us now. And he said, no, everything's fine, but they didn't cook. They did prep. I'm like, what prep did you do? So they made the patty, the burger. They took mincemeat. But I don't know why, but they put oatmeal into the mince patty. I don't know. They did that, but it tasted good. But not cooked it. This was Monday. So they did that, and they made pesto, and they did all those things. And then Tuesday was the big cooking episode, so he loved it. He came home with this ciabatta bread with so much stuff on it, and he shared it with Abby. I took a bite, and he made it so nice. I think there was tomato on, and there was lettuce on, and this patty they made with, I don't know, weird, with oatmeal. It's just weird. And then there was pesto on, tomato salad. Oh, egg. Egg. There was definitely egg. Oh, and they got taught how to make caramelized onions. So there was nothing healthy about that bread. That bread had so much kilojoules in, but they called it a health bread. Whatever, definitely not a half bread. That is like a lot. But it was good, it was good. He was so proud, come and showed me. Didn't eat his, he left it for home. So he was very impressed with himself, and I'm also impressed. But now he wants to make it for us on Friday here at home, but I don't have all that ingredients. I'll see what I can pull together. He wants to cook Friday, so I'm not saying no. I love it. Yes, please, cook for us. And then today I had a kind of a freak out. So there's two Abbies in Abby's class, right? It's her and an Abby with another surname. And this is the third time I get a disciplinary action from this teacher for homework not done. And it's maths, guys. Abby's good at maths and she does her homework. And I know for a fact, the first 2 times I thought, okay, it's a mistake, maybe she switched them. And today I got another one. I almost pooped in my pants. Now I know Abby did her homework, because I was sitting with her while she's doing it, okay? So I know it's done. So this thing comes through and it says, oh, homework not done. Disciplinary notice, blah, blah, blah. I lost it. I freaking lost it, and I wrote the rudest letter because I had enough. I had enough now. So I wrote that, because I know what the kids say about the teacher, but it might be true, might not be true. So this is not facts. The kids are telling us, but there's a lot of parents complaining that this teacher don't explain stuff properly. She's on a computer the whole time. Now, I think with Abby, she is confusing her when she puts these things in with another child, with the other Abby, because I know for a fact my kid's homework is done. So I wrote to her, she must just open her eyes and maybe concentrate in class, because she better show me where my kid's homework is not done, because I sit with her, it is done. But I was angry. Dragon Sanet came out. So this teacher was too scared to phone me back. She must be, because the department head of maths phoned me. She said sorry, but I said, no, I want to see this teacher. You guys better give me an appointment, because enough is enough. Okay, now they'll talk to her, and then tomorrow they'll give me an appointment. I want to go and tell her fortune. So if I'm wrong, but I know, guys, for 1,000,000% sure that I'm not wrong. So Abby came out of school, and I'm like, you got a demerit again. Instantly, Abby started crying. She's like, why? I do my homework. Why, Mom? And I'm like, don't worry. I've got this, honey. So I want to go and see this teacher. I've got respect for teachers that teach kids, but stupid teachers I don't have time for. Really. It's demotivating for my child to get that things against her name if she doesn't deserve them. So yeah, I was absolutely not happy, I promise you that much. But we'll sort it out. As friendly as I am, you don't touch my family, my kids, or my friends. Just don't do that. You know, I've got a soft jelly baby heart. I love people. I love everything. Just don't touch those things of mine. Just don't. Because then you will see the dungeon dragon. And unfortunately, that is who I am. I will protect what's mine. And I won't back down until I know it's sorted out. Not at all. I am just like that. Finished and clear. I protect what's mine. So yeah, I was pretty upset. Pretty upset. And it's not a first instance as well. It's incident as well. That's the problem here. It's the other mom, she messaged me. She's like, she just got 2 or 3 messages from this teacher. I'm like, no. And is it true? What's happening? She's like, no, she does not know what's going on, because you know, I also know this mom. We check that the kids do homework, and they don't do it. If they don't understand, even they come and ask. They don't. They're just not those kids. They don't do. They're not that. And if they were, Abby would have gotten a good talking to, but she's not. And I know for a fact this is wrong again. One time slide, second time slide, third time, that's enough now. Enough. I think you guys can understand what I mean. Ugh. Angry Sanet come out. Don't go on with my children. If they deserve it, to a point you can that's fine. But if it's innocent and it keeps happening, absolutely not. Nope, not under my nose. Not gonna happen. Okay, these pluses, I'm not gonna take another blue one out now. We can do that later because it won't cover all of this. I think what we're gonna do now is take this yellow. Yeah, I think, or must we do that? Let's end this off and then we decide which one is next. Here you go. Easy peasy lemon squeezy. Right. Okay, let's have a look. Let's have a look. You see those? There's quite a bit of those. Then those are there. I still think I must do what I wanted to do. Yeah, I'm gonna do those. There's quite a bit to play with. Alright. Yeah, okay, let's see. There you go. Is that it? Yes, 114. Get my... I also have that bad habit that where when I take my threads out and stuff, I've got a needle in my mouth. I've got a needle minder, but yes, ladies, me too. Needle always in the mouth. Alright, I just want to see where's these because I would like to go around and around, then come back. So we go from there and we'll see. I only took one thread out, but we can take more out if we need to. Haven't put the rest away, but I also didn't prepare them. I just want to get stitching, that's why. I just want to get the stitches going. Okay. Oh no, wait. We can go out here. There's a closer one. I almost skipped. Let's just get there. Did I now make a boo-boo? I did. Or didn't I? No, I definitely did. Give me a chance, guys. I made the haha. Alright. Let's put this in again. And we can continue. There you go. Alright. Ready, steady, go. me see if you guys can see. Oh, there was one in the eye I almost missed. I don't want to do that. If you missed only one, then you have to do one separate stitch, which I'm not in the mood for right now. So then we can go down. There you go. Doodle-doodle-doo. What a pleasure. I can hear Abby is watching a cartoon. I don't know what she's watching, but I can hear it's a cartoon at least. So there's a thing I told you now about the maths teacher. They'll probably tell me tomorrow, oh, I must come in, I must do that. I'm not going in tomorrow. Not tomorrow at all. If I had to go somewhere, yes, no problem, but I don't. So, not going to happen tomorrow, and it will not happen 7 o'clock in the morning. They can write that on their stomachs. Every color we work on, it just gets more and more and more shape. That's what we want, because I just want to see. I want to actually finish the face so I can start a bit on the background. And the face has got so much detail, it's very, very pretty. You guys must remember, Saturday, 5 o'clock. South African time, I think it's 10 Eastern time. Just go and have a look. It is my live on Facebook on WATTOBIZZ group. So that's also happening this weekend. Not sure yet if you're gonna see my face. I think what we're gonna do is a stitch along. I think yes, for change. We can you see my face lots now. So we can do that again, no problem. But let me first stitch a bit. Let's stitch on that silky stitch of ours. Gonna have to do that a bit, because on the lives we chatter and I stitch nothing. It's fun. But I think we should stitch a bit, for a bit. Okay, so this goes up there. Now this was then done. So let's get now. Oh well, I'll go down first and then I'll come up. How did I do this? You know what? No, I'm doing this now. Sorry, this is not happening. Not in my lifetime. Not now. Not ever. So just hold on. I think I'm going to work from the bottom up. Then you waste a little bit of yeah, I got it. I waste a bit of thread, but it doesn't matter. It's rather waste that. And that's my lazy person speaking, because I'll rather waste a bit of thread than actually stop and start again. So let's start at the bottom. Alright, and that's a problem. No, guys, that's a problem. Ugh, it's a big problem, because there is. Alright, so there is and there is as well, so I don't have to do that. Okay, now, the problem is not as big as I thought. There you go. Ta-da-da-da. Okay, so then we go to that one. Piece by piece we get it done. Remember, every stitch counts. A lot of people do block for block for block. I just can't. I don't have the patience for that. I like to do my cross country. I always do. Shame, Mike also fell asleep on the couch. I told you guys. So just before I started recording, he was in here quickly and he said good night. He's gonna sleep. He doesn't know what's going on. Oh, you guys must see how I felt when I woke up. I'm like, what just happened? I didn't know I'm gonna fall asleep. I was still awake. It was just out of the blue. Oh, things that happens to us, right? Oh, I don't even want to see the car tomorrow. I'm so happy. I just want to see the courier there. ASAP. Courier guy, please come early. Please, please, please. And now I'm so excited. Then something happens and they don't come tomorrow and then I'm all miserable. I'm not going to think like that. Okay, so let's go here. If I go here, and there. So I'm going to leave those open. Then I can jump on them when I go back. But before I carry on, I just want to take a sip of something. Because my throat is dry. Oops, don't want to mess. Oh, that feels better. Okay, so let's continue here. Just want to see. Oh, there's lots of these. I'm going to use another thread. Definitely. I'm still keeping to my promise that I'm still in the face. I haven't worked maybe on the, like, no, not even, but if there's something in the neck and I can finish a little bit of thread, I'll do it, but not going further. So I'm actually excited to do the rest and get the face finished. I think it is about way more than halfway finished. Way more than halfway. Like I also said, this is not a small one, she's ginormous. Ginormous! Which makes it nice as well. I like big stitches. You guys got to know me like that. I'm not one for the very small stitches. That's not really my style. I really love the big ones. They give you a bit to work on, and I just like the big ones. I've got smaller ones. I think they are branded ones that's small, but And these stitches work so easy. Love it, love it, love it, love it. You have to love it because it's so good. Alright, so now where we go. We're going all the way to that side and back. There's sounds coming out of Abby's room. It sounds like chipmunks. Have you guys watched chipmunks? They've changed totally. When I was younger, we used to watch My Little Pony and Gummy Bears and a lot of Afrikaans stuff that you guys won't know. For Afrikaans stuff, it was Davie die Kabouter and Liewe Haksie and all that type of jazz. We also watched Smurfs. It was different things. And a lot of Afrikaans cartoon thingies. In my time, that was big still. Not so much more today because they don't play so many things in our language on the TV. There's things, but I mean it's not the same as it was long ago. We got the dish. There's Afrikaans channel there. It's called Kyk-Net. I watch that quite often. I love my language, so I do watch that. I love Afrikaans movies, but that's also if you're not Afrikaans, you won't understand it. But it's good. Alex has got this band he's listening to. It's, I think, from the Netherlands or something. And they, every word that I actually understand them. But they sing, what can I say? It's Dutch and a bit of, I don't know what other, but they all, because I know Dutch is from, Afrikaans is from Dutch and the Netherlands and a bit German, and our language stems from them. And this man, I think he's using his own slang between two other types of languages that I know the one is Dutch, but I understand every word. So we had fun on that, listening to it in the car. And the song is stuck in my head that we're listening to in this Dutch language. And I understand it because my language are like that. So if you're that language, then we can talk because you'll understand what I say in my language. But the song's name is Luchtballon. Luchtballon. It was good. It's good. I love it. And they've got something about traffic. So yeah. My one hand is dying again. You guys know that's so annoying. I need to put an injection in there, but I will again one day. There you go. She looks pretty, right? She's just super duper amazing. The first time when Sandy created her, she immediately. This one, there's 4 of them. There's 4 Snow Queens, but she absolutely knocked the wind out of my sails. She was just so beautiful when I saw her. So I cannot wait to get it done and dust it so I can see the whole picture, the face. There's so many beautiful new ones also on the way. I don't know what to start and what to stop. I am really getting like my friend Nikki now. It's her influence that I've got so much VIPs. Nikki, you naughty, naughty lady. But at least I try and work on them. I don't throw them out. I want to do this year. We'll see if I can finish 2 big ones. I'm good. But I must have finishes. Otherwise, it's gonna start getting to me. Chaos. I do not do well in chaos. I do not like chaos. It's hectic. And I'm creating my own chaos here, but it's so nice with all the VIPs. Oh, but I think I should go a bit slower, otherwise the chaos will take over and I can't manage it. What is hurting me? Something sticking in my arm. Alright, so let's just go a bit there. I want to see if I can't make 3 more stitches. I wonder if I can, we'll see. I'm going to end this off. 2 left to go. There you go. Alrighty then. I'm going to end this off before it's too slow, but look at that. Don't you think she is magnificent? Maybe I should put a red mouth in. Maybe that... I must do everything. I cannot wait. This is so, so beautiful. Well, hopefully you guys must keep your thumbs up for me, and so that I get some decent stitching time tomorrow. Oh, won't that be lovely? Because it's like, I think I'm going through withdrawal. And that's never a good thing, right? Stitching withdrawal. Not funny. It's very sad. Alrighty then. Look at that. She is just magnificent. Ooh, look at that eyes. Look at that. She is fantastic. Alrighty guys. I hope you have a wonderful time wherever you are in the world. I will talk to you again very soon. And remember, there ain't no birds like WATTOBIZZ. Till next time then, lots of love. Stitcha-Rella.